Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Saturday, 8 February 2025. Today lunchtime, single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 3, number 19, number 21, number 23, number 33. Today lunchtime, single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 3, number 19, number 21, number 23, number 33. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 14, number 34, number 33, number 46, number 47, number 48. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 14, number 34, number 39, number 46, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 15 or number 21. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 15 or number 21. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today time prediction for Saturday 8 February 2025. Today time single prediction numbers. Number 16, number 27, number 31, number 44, number 45, number 46. Today time single prediction number repeat. Number 16, number 27, number 31, number 44, number 45, number 46. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 21, number 31, number 32, number 35, number 41, number 48. Today time second prediction number repeat. Number 21, number 31, number 32, number 35, number 41, number 48. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 12 or number 18. Today time bonus ball number repeat. Number 12 or number 18. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification.